Hi, Professor Kellerman is here. I'm just finishing up so that you can see everything. So this is the student preview. This is kind of what you guys are going to see. There'll be a new announcement about the last day of class. So we're there. We're at the end of the semester. Congratulations. You guys did a good job. Just a few things to think about. If you want to pass, you have to take the last assignment here, which is the final paper. This is 10% of your overall grade. So I would encourage everyone to write this essay. You are going to discuss your performance as a student writer. So things like what was new to you, and here's the kind of list of things that I talked about how to write a paper. And then here are some other questions that you can ask yourself. Which assignments were the easiest or the most difficult? What skills did you acquire? Where do you think you need to improve? If you want to, you can talk about personal things. You do not have to, but here's a few questions. What hindrances did you overcome? How do you think you'll proceed? In what ways can you benefit from finishing the course? So just to say, it is an essay, 3 to 5 paragraphs, should be organized, should have, different sections, a beginning, a middle, some kind of concluding thoughts. Okay, so that's there. Then I just want to show you some key enrollment things about taking classes next semester. So the term starts, I don't know if anybody's going to go to winter semester, but the due date for the payment on that is past now. So let's look at the spring. That starts in January. January 24th. If you're taking Saturday and Sunday classes, the 29th or the 30th. I would encourage everyone here to register for the literature class. Your payments are due on the 10th, but if you're going to mail it, you have to get it to the college by the 3rd of January. And then here's the drop deadline and the change in curriculum kind of thing. So if you think you're going to take classes next semester, please go ahead and do that. The classes will end on May 17th. So the beginning of the semester is the 24th of January, and it ends in May, right before Memorial Day. If you think you want to withdraw from the class, if you did not let me know that you were withdrawing, you now have the deadline is the 23rd. So here's the form that you need. You kind of click on this and fill it out. You have to email it to me, and then I have to email it to the registrars if I approve of it. So I will not approve of everyone withdrawing. Some people are going to fail the class, and that's just the way it goes. So here's the last homework. Here's our assignments, and I just want to say congratulations to you. You got through your first semester of college, and I will see you in person the last time tonight, and if I do not see you in person, I hope you have a really wonderful holiday break, and I will let you know if I'm teaching in the spring, but right now I am only teaching at Hunter College in the spring. Okay, I'll see you tonight. Bye. Good luck with everything.